Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can actually take your control back inside of Teamviewer. Basically, sometimes guys, if you had some scammers or stuff like that, and let's say that you had a technical problem with your PC, and you didn't get the chance to go to a technician in your city, but you contacted someone online and he asked you to give him your TeamViewer and he will fix the problem for you. So now in that moment, while he was doing something in your PC, you thought or you felt like he was doing some injection of some kind of virus or something like that, and you wanted to take the control back. Well, how you can do that? First of all, I will need you to open the Teamviewer, okay, and then this page will show for you. So what we need to do first is get a remote control. So we need someone to control our PC. So let's start with like opening something. So I will open a remote device and then I will come back to you right after I do that. So back to you guys. Now I'm connecting to my PC using my phone, so I'm gonna just put now the password, and here we go. So now as you can see, it is being controlled by my phone, so I can move my cursor as I want. I can do a lot of stuff. I can even click. I can just open TeamViewer from here. It is a little bit small because I'm on my phone, but yeah, it can do the work. So now let's say, for example, he was doing something. He was trying to close your PC, see your private files, and even though you were trying to fight him, like he was moving your mouse, you were moving it as well. And yeah, basically, first of all guys, there is this new update of Teamviewer. If it happens that you try to move your mouse and you were the owner of this PC and you moved your mouse, basically automatically the other guy mouse will stop. So that's the first thing that will save you. Second thing, if the other guy got some bug or something like that and he could still move his mouse, try to fight him back to just to get to this X. If not, you can just turn off your PC, or else you can just click on Ctrl F4, and this basically what it will do is it will close Teamviewer as all, like it will close all programs. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. I hope you learned something from it. So thank you for watching and see you next tutorial.